or welcome back to another vlog. Today we are prepping for a Leh Ladakh trip. Slow vacations, we do not like to run around looking at everything. I do have these packing cubes from Amazon which I'll be using to pack it from my last travel. So I have a floss, toothpaste and tips, my card holder and my sunglasses. So I'm not gonna pack a lot in terms of snacks because we are out there to explore the Ladakhi food. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Tarasha and I make a lot of productivity and lifestyle vlogs. Well, today's vlog is going to be a different one because today we are prepping for a Leh Ladakh trip. We are giving chaotic energy though. Just look at it. So yeah, I have everything with me and I am packing for my first ever Leh Ladakh trip, and I want to show you how I pack for this relaxing and a slow vacation. So me and AB are really into slow vacations. We do not like to run around looking at everything. We are not into a lot of sightseeing. We are more into relaxation, getting a break from our mundane life. Currently it is September 6th and it's around 4:11 p.m. I believe not to leave the packing for the very last moment or the very last day. I dread such days. I believe in packing beforehand. So let me quickly look at the weather app and see what is the temperature in Leh so that at least I can finalize my outfit. Okay, so today it is a minimum of 8 degrees with a maximum of 19 degrees. We are going on a Sunday which has a minimum of 6 degrees and a maximum of 18 degrees. So we are in Leh from Sunday to Wednesday, and Wednesday the minimum is 3 degrees. So according to this weather, I think a jacket or a shacket, a couple of hoodies or sweaters or cardigans, my basic t-shirts, a couple of pajama sets, I think that would be it and I'll be good to go. Yeah, let's do that. I have some clothes already shortlisted behind me, as you can see. So we'll quickly look into what we can take with us. Let's go. So this is our luggage and I do have these packing cubes from Amazon which I'll be using to pack my clothes. Also we'll be carrying a carry-on backpack with us. So this is the one. It is pretty huge and it can contain a lot of stuff. Mainly I'm carrying this for essentials, a hoodie for myself and AB because we might need it as soon as we land or even in the airplane. I also want to carry anything that we would need to freshen up because I'm not sure if our accommodation will be ready when we land because we are landing at a very early hour. I do not know if we'll be allowed to check in early. So I want to carry anything that we would require, maybe some snacks, some medicines and warm clothes. It is pretty hot in Gurgaon right now, so it is not feasible for us to carry our hoodie while we are traveling. This is where the backpack would come handy. Apart from this, I would be carrying a handbag, but I'll carry a very small handbag with only my my cards, wallet, and maybe a sanitizer and stuff, nothing much. So these are the clothes that I have shortlisted. So this is a very warm shacket that I have from H&M and I think it will keep me pretty warm in case the weather gets bad. Apart from this, I am thinking of taking this sweater, this top which would serve well if it is not too cold in Leh, and this pink hoodie. I really love the color of this. It would be really bright and I think it look fantastic with the blue skies. I have some black and white socks, my two leggings of choice. So these are from Marks and Spencer and these are pretty warm. I also have with me some basics. I am carrying one Uniqlo Heat Tech and two black t-shirts. These two are from H&M and one white t-shirt which is from Marks and Spencer. For my pajama sets, I have this red night shirt. I bought this around Christmas, but I think it will look very good with some black leggings. Unfortunately, I did not buy the matching lower, which I regret now. And then for another night, I have pajama set which is also very warm along with some gray leggings, so I think two pair are enough. I think that is it for my main outfits. If I hadn't mentioned, we are just going for 3 whole days, 8th of September to 11th of September, and as per the weather conditions, I think this is apt. So these are the cubes from Amazon. I'll try to link some similar options for you in the description box, so make sure you check it. Now let's get packing all the stuff into these packing cubes. I will use this bigger one for my jacket. It fits perfectly and has some space, so I think I'll put in my heat tech and my t-shirts in with this. Also, I forgot to show you guys the beanie that I'll be taking along. This is from Marks and Spencer. Yeah, so I think we can pack it in this as well. So let's open it for a moment. Yep, it fits. 2 cubes are done. Next, we are gonna pack our pajama sets and the leggings. These two can come handy for shoes. For shoes, I am thinking to wear my Air Forces to the airport, and I have a pair of black boots that I think I'll put in my check-in bag. First, let's pack the pajama sets. So that is it. If I feel like I need to pack something else, I will pack it in this cube at the very last moment. So yeah, let's just close these up and place them in the pack. I still have plenty of space to put in my makeup bag and my toiletry bag. The problematic area would be my skincare because I have lots of stuff that I like to put on my face. But let's narrow it down and pack it. I think I need all my face wash essentials, my toners. Sunscreen is a must in Leh Ladakh, and my makeup remover balm and such things. So yeah, let's get it packing. So guys, this is the toiletry bag that I usually use for all my travels. This is again from Amazon, and as you can tell by the color, I am really into neutrals. I am a basic girl. I like my blacks, whites, beige. So yeah, I went with this one because it can store a lot of things, and also it has individual compartments. We have 2 zippers over here, 2 on the sides, and plenty of space here as well that you can keep your products standing. It's not humanly possible for me right now to list everything that I'll be carrying on, but I will surely walk you guys through all the essentials. Firstly, I'll show you what I have in it from my last travel. So I have a floss, toothpaste and an eyebrow razor for emergencies, and then I have couple of extra contacts with me. I have a pack of tissue, my makeup remover balm. I think I might have some left. Yeah, I think it would be enough. If not, I have this sample size as well. If you have watched my other videos, you know I love collecting samples or minis that I get in my Nika and Tira orders. So yeah, this is one of my free samples. Then I have a mini roll-on, which is very essential. Let's put it in a small pocket to keep it intact. Then I have my lip sleeping mask, the lip balm that I require at night. L'Occitane mist, it is a face, body and hair mist. And then I cannot do without wipes. I think I'll carry this in my handbag, not in this. Apart from this, I'll be putting my sunscreen. I also have a mini of hairspray. I also got this mini moisturizer in one of my orders. So yeah, gonna put that in as well. And then I have makeup remover reusable cotton pads. Also got this Innisfree free sample kit, which has quite lot of products. Let me show you guys. Oh yeah, we have 2 vitamin C green tea enzyme brightening serum. I really wanted to try this one. And then I have the green tea seed hyaluronic serum, which I use on a daily basis. So this is the essential for me. Apart from that, I have ampules. So I think I'm pretty set. I need not carry my full size product. This kit is enough. I'll put in my toothbrush and face wash at the very last day once I'm done with all of my skincare. Now for my makeup, I have decided not to carry a lot of products, just one of each. I do not know, but why do I need 3 blushes? Like that doesn't even make sense. This is my organizer. It is again from Amazon. I bought it I think around 2 years ago. So I have already placed my products inside, but I'll walk you through what all I have inside. Let's talk about the base products. I have my 2 foundations, my holy grail foundations that I simply cannot do without. My makeup fixing spray and my concealers of choice. The NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, the LA Pro Girl and the Tarte. So I do not know how my skin would be feeling in the Leh weather, so I'm carrying 3 combinations because I believe if your base is good, you can compromise with the other things. I'm carrying mostly minis. So this is a mini one size loose powder, mini highlighter from Becca. This is in the shade Moonstone. My Bahama Mama bronzer. For my eyeshadow palette, I am carrying this new medium palette from Huda Beauty. This has all the shades that I would need. As for my other face powders, I'm carrying this bronzer from Kiko. It's a really old one. Like I think I got it in a Black Friday sale. Along with it, I am also carrying this blush. Then we have this section which consists of all the minis. So I am carrying these mini brow products from Benefit. I have a mini Rare Beauty blush in the shade Happy. So I really like this one. It's a really bright pink color. And then I have a mini Smashbox primer, a spoolie. I have my lip liner. This is really loved, as you can tell by the size of it. It's a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And then I have this MAC kajal, a Bobbi Brown longwear cream shadow stick. This comes really handy for smoky eyes. I have a sample of a Jimmy Choo perfume that I really like. This is a tinted lip oil from Rare Beauty. I really like this one, especially wearing sweatshirt. I think this would go really well. So for lip products, I am carrying this lip oil, the MAC Velvet Teddy and a Kiko lipstick. This is in a red color. I do not know if I'll be wearing such a bright color, but I do want to carry it. I also have one more lip shade. which is this. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. So yeah, I really like this for nude lip. And in this compartment I have my liquid eyeliner, another lip liner from MAC, liner, some brushes, and my mascara. So yeah, that is it for my makeup bag. I also have a travel mirror which I'll be inserting in this. And I think it will be a good call to include this facial spray as well to hydrate as and when required. So this is the handbag of my choice. I really like this one. I got it from Aldo in Dubai last year, and ever since I have been fixated on this bag and I am carrying it everywhere. I like that it is small, petite, and I do not like carrying very heavy bags. So yeah, this would serve purpose because I'm not carrying that much in my handbag. I just want to carry this little pouch, wet wipes, my card holder, and my sunglasses. I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit it all in, but let's try. Let me just show you what all I have in this pouch. So I got it from Tira with one of my orders. I have a small hand sanitizer, a roll-on perfume from Zara, my Sephora lip gloss. This is in the shade 120, a travel comb or hairbrush, and a powder for touch-ups. It has a mirror. Let's see if we can take it with us in this tiny little bag. It's not fitting. I think I can carry this in my carry-on black bag that I showed you guys earlier. I can just carry my wipes in this handbag, my card holder, and if my sunglasses fit, yep, they fit. The only thing left to pack is my coffee stash. You know, we love our coffee, and I do not want to spend a single day wherein I have a bad coffee. So I trust in the coffees that we have. By the way, there are a lot of cafes in Leh which serve very good coffee. So I'm thinking to pack 2 or 3 pouches of coffee just for emergencies when you have headaches. And I also believe that you should carry little bit of snacks for those fetish moments. So I'm not gonna pack a lot in terms of snacks because we are out there to explore the Ladakhi food, so it would be very basic. So for our coffee, I have the Sleepy Owl hazelnut coffee. You just have to add hot water in this, and in this too, these are easy pour over coffees. This is from Bacha. Yeah, I'm gonna pack these. And for snacks, we do have 2 packs of cup noodles, this and this. I'm gonna pack some cookies as well. So these are some choco filled cookies. I also have some brioche with me while traveling. If you are starving, this would serve the purpose. So I will be carrying a couple of these. This would be it for the snacks. I don't think we need much. I will now put everything in this Ziploc bag that I found. This is how the suitcase is looking after packing. That's it, guys. We are done with the packing, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next in Leh. Bye.